It was just after lunch when Amir noticed his internet was down. At first, he thought maybe it was just a small glitch. These things happened, right? He restarted the router. Nothing. He unplugged it, waited 10 seconds, like the support pages always said, and plugged it back in. Still nothing. He checked the cables. Everything looked fine. His laptop showed a red exclamation mark next to the Wi-Fi icon. He checked his phone. No Wi-Fi. Then the message popped up, "No internet connection." Perfect timing. He had an important document to send to his boss in less than an hour. Amir sighed and leaned back in his chair. He had been living in Manchester for about 6 months now, and this was the first time he'd had a serious internet issue. He knew what he had to do: call customer service. The only problem? Phone calls in English still made him nervous. No facial expressions, no body language, just voice. Still, he took a deep breath and dialed the number. After a few rings, a recorded voice answered. "Thank you for calling BroadConnect. For English, press 1. Beep. Please hold while we connect you with a customer service agent." The hold music began, elevator-style jazz. He waited and waited. Finally, a click. "Hi, thank you for calling BroadConnect. This is Sam speaking. How can I help you today?" Amir cleared his throat and spoke slowly. "Hi, I think my internet is not working. I have no connection since this morning." Sam replied calmly. "I'm sorry to hear that. Let's take a look. Can I have your name and account number, please?" Amir hesitated. He didn't have the account number handy. I don't have the number right now, but I can give you my address." "That works too," Sam said. "What's your address?" Amir provided his information, then a short pause. "All right, Amir. Looks like there's an outage in your area. A technician is working on it now." Amir sighed. "Do you know how long it will take?" "Our system says it should be fixed in about 2 hours. I can send you a text when it's back up if you like." "Yes, please. That would be helpful." "All right, you're all set. Anything else I can help you with today?" Amir thought for a second. "No, that's all. Thank you." "You're welcome. Hope your day improves." After hanging up, Amir actually felt proud. It had gone better than expected. He'd managed to explain the problem, answer questions, and even ask for a time estimate. Sure, he'd stumbled once or twice, but he got through it. That was real progress. He grabbed a notebook and wrote down the phrases he had used or heard. "My internet is not working. Can I give you my address instead? How long will it take? Can you send me a text update?" They were simple, but they worked. A few hours later, just as promised, he got a message. "Service has been restored in your area. Thank you for your patience." He opened his laptop, refreshed the page, and smiled when the Wi-Fi bars lit up. Finally, that small interaction gave him more confidence than any textbook. He had survived a real-world situation in English. The next day, he remembered another small issue. His phone battery had been draining too fast. He'd been charging it twice a day, and it still died by evening. So, on his way to the grocery store, he stopped by a small phone repair shop. The place was quiet, with shelves of phone cases and screen protectors. A young guy behind the counter looked up. "Hey, what can I do for you?" Amir smiled. Hi, my phone battery runs out really fast. Do you fix that? Yeah, we do battery replacements. What kind of phone is it? iPhone 11. Easy. We've got the battery in stock. It takes about an hour. How much does it cost? £50. Parts and service included. All right. I'll bring it in tomorrow. Thanks. No problem, man. See you then. On his way out, Amir laughed to himself. That was 2 tech problems solved in 2 days, all in English. He wrote down more phrases when he got home. My battery dies quickly. Do you have this in stock? How long does it take? How much is it, including service? These weren't grammar rules. They were tools for everyday life. Later that week, his friend Anna called to check in. How's work going? She asked. Busy. But hey, I had to call customer service this week, and I didn't mess it up. She laughed. Proud of you. That's the real test of your English. And she was right. These real-life situations, with their little stress and uncertainty, were where his English was truly improving. Talking on the phone in English can be scary. No body language, no subtitles, just words. But every phone call is an opportunity. It's not about sounding perfect. It's about being clear, staying calm, and saying what you need. Whether you're calling for help, asking about repairs, or dealing with problems, these are real moments, and they help you grow. Practice out loud, try different styles, and soon it will feel completely natural. Thank you for practicing with me today. See you in the next lesson.